Good day everybody. In this demo, I have chosen to display the integration of CSharp and RestSharp with Python. The application under test which I have chosen is pre-data analysis website. This is the web application. If you notice that the data generated rendered here by the web application is dynamic, the automation will find the highest change value percentage. For example, different data is there. It will find which is the highest change value percentage, and it will extract all the corresponding data such as fair value close and future. Once this data is extracted, this data will be cleansed and the reports are generated using Python. So this is the feature file. This is a spec flow feature file which is in C Sharp, and the details goes here. First, web application will be launched and data will be extracted using C Sharp. Next, some data will be extracted using web services, that is REST API. Finally, the extracted data will be cleansed and reports will be generated. Let me quickly navigate and execute this feature file. So the execution has begun. So the website is launched now. Once it will find the highest, the automation will find the highest change value percentage among the data which is displayed here, and it will capture all the data and it will generate the reports. Here, whenever there is a change event occurs in the change value, the automation will capture the corresponding prices. Now the reports are being generated. This is the first report. This is a line graph where we are comparing the future with the close. If you see, there is an increase in the close price. This is the second graph, which is a scatter graph. We are comparing the feature with the change, and if you see, the feature price is scattered here. This is the third graph, which is a bar graph. The change is compared along with close and feature. This is the next graph. This is the histogram graph. Here a feature is grouped. This is the final graph, which is a pie chart. Here all the change percentage are grouped and displayed along with feature. So the execution has completed. So in this part, I'm going to show the continuous integration. So I have made changes to the feature file and I have pushed it to the Azure DevOps. Let me quickly navigate to the Azure DevOps. So this is the project. Let me navigate to the pipelines. And if you see, since there is a change in feature file and a commit has made, the pipeline execution has begun. Let me navigate to the pipeline. So this is the pipeline and the pipeline execution has started. So the web application is launched and the data is being extracted from the web application as well as from the web services. So the report should be generated shortly. So the first report is generated now. So this is the report. This is a line graph in comparison with future and close. This is the second report. This is the next one, the histogram, and finally the pie chart. So the test execution has completed and the results are being published. So the results are being published. Let us review the results. So this is the result. This is the report which is being generated by the Azure DevOps. So these are the various details present in the report. Let us review one by one. So various results are present here, and this is the details. To summarize, I have shown the demo of C Sharp and RestSharp integration with Python. So yeah, a pre-market analysis website has been chosen. Data has been extracted from it. It is a dynamic data. Once the data is extracted, it is cleansed, and finally the reports are generated using Python. Thanks for your time and thanks for watching. Here, the change percentage, close price, and future values are extracted, compared, and graphs are generated Using this automation, one can get useful insights about when best prices will be yielded when there is a selling. The automation can be also utilized to get vital information about best prices when there is a buying too.